Hare Krishna. Vatsalya Bhakti Ras. Now Srila Prabhupada mentions in Srimad Bhagavatam that the purpose of the Vedas has been divided into three sections: Karma Kand, Gyan Kand and Upasana Kand. Now most people are attracted towards Karma Kand and Gyan Kand for its fruitive results. And when they try to get elevated spiritually, then they come to Upasana Kand and they follow scriptures and they do worship of different demigods for again fruitive result. But here Srila Prabhupada mentions that Lord Shiva mentions to Parvati ji in Tantra Shastra that Aradhana Nam Sarvesham Vishnu Aradhana Param, that of all the worship of all the demigods, the worship of Vishnu is supreme. Now in this very mood Devaki worshipped Krishna. But in the case of Yashoda Ma, what is she thinking? That even when Lord is performing, even when Krishna as a child was performing these miraculous feats, that Yashoda Maiya was saying that these two Arjuna trees, they were broken because of strong wind and Krishna did not break them. Then Govardhan Hill, she said that Govardhan Hill was lifted by Nand Maharaj. How could Krishna lift Govardhan Hill? And all these demons, like Putana, they were killed because I had, along with Nand Maharaj, I had worshipped Vishnu, and that's how Krishna was saved. So this is Vatsalya Bhakti Ras. And she says that even if I was able to see the whole universe within Krishna's mouth, this was some arrangement by the Lord. Let me forget it. I just want to love my child. I just want to kiss my child. This is Vatsalya Bhakti Ras. She has crossed all the levels of Brahman, Brahm, Paramatma, Bhagwan. She doesn't want to consider Krishna as any one of them. She wants to consider Krishna as just her son. So that's why in Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami writes about Vatsalya Bhakti Ras. So he mentions there, Kevalara Shuddh Prem. Kevalar Shuddh Prem Aishwarya na jane. Aishwarya dekhi liyo nij sambandh se mane. That because of unalloyed pure devotion, Kevalar Shuddh Prem, and even after noticing all these miraculous feats, all the Aishwarya of Bhagwan, Aishwarya dekhi liyo nij sambandh se mane, she considers her personal relationship to Krishna more important than all these things. And that is why Parikshit Maharaj is asking from Shukdev Goswami, as mentioned in Srimad Bhagavatam in 10th canto, Yashoda cha Mahabhaga. He says, how could Yashoda Maiya become so fortunate? Yashoda cha Mahabhaga. Papau yasya sthanam hari. Because even Hari, Lord Hari, is drinking milk from her breast. Srila Prabhupada writes, most fortunate. So how was this possible? So that's why this Bhakti Ras is there. And the special characteristic feature of Vatsalya Bhakti Ras is, as mentioned in Chaitanya Charitamrita, Apanare Palak Gyan. That Apanare, that for Yashoda Maiya, Apanare Palak Gyan, that I am the maintainer of Krishna. Krishna is not Lord, Krishna is my son. I am the maintainer. Apanare Palak Gyan. Krishna Palya Gyan. And whom I want to maintain? I want to maintain this child Krishna. So this is the characteristic feature of Vatsalya Bhakti Ras. Yashoda Maya says, Sa amanata atmajam. Krishna is produced of me, atmajam. Sa amanata atmajam. My son. Therefore, I have to maintain him. I have to take his responsibility. And if I do not take his responsibility, then he is sure to die. That is the intense mood in Vatsalya Bhakti Ras. And other features of Vatsalya Bhakti Ras is Tadan, Bhayan. She even scolds Krishna, seemingly. And she even runs behind him with a stick, Bhayan. And Krishna is fearing Yashoda, as seen in Damodar Leela. Tadan, Bhayan, Mithya Uktir. Krishna says that Maya, I have not stolen butter. I have not stolen any butter. I have not eaten butter. So these features, what are these features? These are Vatsalya Ras Poshika. These nourish the Vatsalya Bhakti Ras. In fact, the Vatsalya Bhakti Ras itself, the childhood time, the Kaumar Avastha, from birth to up to 5 years, this is characterized by this Vatsalya Bhakti Ras. This makes the childhood pastime of Krishna successful. That much pleasure Krishna is getting because of Vatsalya Bhakti Ras. And in fact, this is one of the stimulus, the impetus to bring out the Vatsalya Bhakti Ras. The Krishna, this Kaumar Avastha itself, by looking at the age of Krishna, by looking at his dress, by looking at his Shaishav Chapalya, childhood activities, childhood movements, his stealing of butter, his telling lies, his eating mud, his playing with friends, his broken voice, all these bring out the Vatsalya Bhakti Ras in Yashoda Maya. And Krishna's giving respect. Krishna's giving respect to elders. That also brings out the Vatsalya Bhakti Ras. In fact, this Vatsalya Bhakti Ras is not just meant for Yashoda. It's, by definition, it's Vatsalya Bhakt Mata Pita Yat Gurujan. So, Yashoda Maya, Nand Maharaj, Devki, Vasudev, Sandipni Muni. So, all these were in Vatsalya Bhakti Ras. And this Vatsalya Bhakti Ras is in fact a combination of 4 Bhakti Ras. So Shant Bhakti Ras, the fixed attitude, the fixed devotion of a devotee in Shant Bhakti Ras, then the serving attitude, the intense serving attitude of Dasya Bhakti Ras, then the close intimacy, the asankoch of Sakhya Bhakti Ras, and the palan, the maintainer feature of Vatsalya Bhakti Ras, all these together constitute Vatsalya Bhakti Ras. So this mixture, this mishran is there. And in fact, we have seen the combinations in devotees like Balramji and Yudhishthira Maharaj. They were in Vatsalya Bhakti Ras, as well as they were in Sakhya Bhakti Ras, as well as they were in Dasya Bhakti Ras. And similarly, Ugrasen, the grandfather of Krishna, he was in Vatsalya Bhakti Ras as well as Dasya Bhakti Ras. So again, Mishran, this mixture is there. So what message we are getting? That there is this spiritual world consists of this variety, and variety is the mother of all enjoyment, as Srila Prabhupada writes in Nectar of Instruction. So this all variety has been created by Krishna. So a devotee understands that all this variety is created by Krishna, and hence let me offer it to Krishna. And specifically by this Vatsalya Bhakti Ras, by this Vatsalya Bhakti Ras, a devotee says, now I am responsible for Krishna. If I do not give Krishna pleasure, then he will not be happy. So it is my responsibility. So hence this ras is above Shant Bhakti Ras, Dasya Bhakti Ras and Sakhya Bhakti Ras, Vatsalya Bhakti Ras, exclusive devotion to Krishna. Hare Krishna. Srila Prabhupada ki jai.